My name is David Long. I'm the CEO of XTC Mobile, and in this video, I'm going to do a demonstration of SecureCell. So you can see here, this is the dashboard for SecureCell. The product is based on a MikroTik router that we've modified to include an internal battery and a Raspberry Pi. It includes also a cellular module that can hold a SIM, along with the two standard antennas that you have for Wi-Fi. So basically, if you think of taking a computer and a router and a phone, and you put them all together into one product with AI, that's what SecureCell is. So this dashboard is connected to the Raspberry Pi. It's got AI in it. And what it does is it monitors the logs that are reporting the real-time information that come from the network and all the traffic. So the logs that come from routers generally are the data that cybersecurity experts use to tell you about the security on your network anywhere. There's huge amounts of data here, and so the problem is finding a needle in a haystack, as it were. So how do you know what line in what file at what time is the actual cyber threat? There's just so much data. So this is where AI plays a really pivotal role. So let's just take a quick look at that. So in here, we can see the AI. We see the display continuously updating. We see right now there's 31 active connections. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to ask it a question. I'm going to say, what is the status of the network? So I'm going to go analyze, and then we see over here it's analyzing. So this is going to take about 30 seconds or a minute. And it's running locally. So the value here is that all the technology that I'm showing you runs in a single box that you can install in your business, and it will report to you and not to anybody else. So this will let you basically have your own private security expert running inside your network, and it can report to you continuously. Other features about the product, it includes integration for device management. So if you are running LynX Phone, iPhones, Android phones, any other kinds of phones, other devices, anything that has a cellular connection or a Wi-Fi connection, guess what? You can manage them all in here. And it gives you a way that you can use AI privately on your network with all of your devices. It includes a service agreement. So we can provide managed services with this, which includes all the BlackBerry software, so SecureSuite, SecureCell, and AtHoc, which is a first responder alert system made by BlackBerry. And while the AI is processing here, I'm just going to take you over to the service agreements, and we'll have a look at that. So we see here that it shows the status of the support agreement that goes along with SecureCell. Down here, we can see the provisioning of the BlackBerry software. So when you're using this, it provides basically all the capabilities that come with BlackBerry as well, and you can manage it all through here. So that's basically the service agreement. Here's where the devices are provisioned. And so we can see here we've got LynX Phone PX9s, PX7s. This is the SecureCell, and it shows you the status on all these devices. So let's go back here now. Okay, so the report's done, okay? And we see the analysis. So this is actually what's happening on this device right now. So I asked the AI, what's the status of the network? And it says Currently, the security has low risk. There's 32 active connections like we saw. There's been no SSH attempts in the last 5 minutes. And it's observing that there is a legitimate SSH connection from that IP address. What else is it telling us? There's no unusual activity. Um, it's talking about the protocols. Everything looks like pretty standard, so nobody's trying to use some weird protocol on some port. Um, and there's some things that's classified as benign. It's recommending some defensive checks, and it's also telling you its level of confidence. So when you have a business in your server room, you walk by these things all the time and nobody ever looks at them, or hopefully you have a sysadmin who is, but who's actually finding out in all this data quickly what's going on? So that's where AI can really play a significant role because it's very good at summarizing and classifying. And so what we've done here is we put one right inside the router. It's called SecureCell. And we can see how we can use that to manage the network and provide rapid analysis on the security. And my last point is it doesn't stop here. Like the onboard computer, it comes with a Raspberry Pi. You could put a small board computer as well. Like we can provide those. You can do anything on this. So if you wanted to do um, gathering of intel, you could do that. You could do proactive response as well using AI. You can also run it locally for any other thing. So that's basically what SecureCell does. And this is the end of the demonstration. And just to wrap up again, my name is David Long, and the product is called SecureCell.